quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th, Virgo. Your cards are the Three of Swords, the Void, and the Maiden of Swords. Parang ikaw yata yung nakakuha ng idea, no? Ng Mercury retrograde na, wait, wag muna akong kausapin, baka iba yung masabi ko, baka, hindi kita matansya, baka meron akong masabing ah, ikaiiyak mo, no? Baka magtago ka sa palda ng iyong magulang, no? Um, I think that this is the time wherein siguro hindi mo na dapat kausapin, no? Itong si Virgo. Kasi parang may shield pa siya, no? And we cannot take that from them, no? Kasi they are perfectionist. And parang failure kasi sa kanila yung nasaktan mo na ako, hindi na kita papaulitin, no? 'Pag umulit pa yon, ako na may problema at hindi ko kakayanin yon kasi I am perfect, no? So, this is your quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.